Hello to our lovely viewers. This is Isha Bhandari and you are watching Vocal Investors. Tanla Platforms, which is a cloud communication service provider, in a recent declaration stated that marquee investor Premji Invest, which is the investment arm of Azim Premji's endowment and philanthropic initiatives, has invested in the company. Company's CEO Uday Reddy took on Twitter and declared this news. Yes, there are two funds which are associated with Premji Invest. So, one is Pioneer Investment Fund, which bought 13.50 lakh shares, and the other Prazim Trading Investment Company Private Limited, which brought about 6.52 lakh of shares at a premium of 1,200, aggregating about 250 crores. These funds bought the shares sold by Banyan Investments Limited in the secondary market. The announcement tweet stated that we welcome Premji Invest to our list of marquee investors. Mr. Azim Premji, a luminary best known for building global businesses and a gold standard for corporate governance and philanthropy. We look forward, the tweet said, that they look forward to this association in coming days. Now, Premji Invest is aiming on early and late stage investments, aiming at consumers of India, financials, technology, and manufacturing companies. Now, in recent times, the Tanla Group has attracted huge domestic and foreign institutional investors, with SBI Life Insurance Company Limited and Small Cap World Fund picking up stakes in Tanla in month of June 2021. You can see the impact it has created on companies. A blockchain-based solution is also operated by Tanla, which is deployed by Indian telecom companies so as to check the flow of spam SMSs on their network. Now, the distributed ledger of technology, that is DLT platform, which went live in September 2020, undertakes more than 3,550 billion interactions annually and about 65% of India A2P SMS traffic, making it one of the world's largest blockchain use cases. Investors look at this as a great platform as it had reported an earning growth in the September ended quarter with a squashing net profit of 136 crores, which is a rise of 67% in the corresponding quarter of the previous year. Yes, you heard me right. So before we end, a gentle reminder, we are a matchmaker for businesses or investors. Either they are establishing or already established. So if you require capital, or if you know someone who requires capital, or if you are looking for an investment opportunity yourself, please click the link in the description box below and fill up the form. Our team will contact you soon. That's all for the day. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.